I have something for you guys.
Wow!
What's this? Yeah.
Dunkin Donuts.
Okay, so because you're good girls and boys this whole week, I brought some Dunkin Donuts for you. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Ooh! You like it?
Yes.
Okay, so let's choose. DL, what do you want? DL first because he's the youngest. So what do you want? Come on, choose one. Oh, choco heart. Choco, oh, for DL. Yeah, choco heart. This is choco heart. And then what else? How about you, Jenna? What do you like?
This one.
Wow, the strawberry. Salgi. Wow, salgi bar. Okay, get it. Okay, okay, I change. Oh no, okay, sure. Let's exchange. Okay, choco heart. And how about you, Reina? What do you like? This one? Wow, it's a candy, like a candy crush. Ooh. Good. Okay. That's good. So eat now. Let's eat now. Let's eat. So you like it?
Yes.
You like your donuts?
I love it.
Okay. Guys, so we had some Dunkin Donuts, but the kids didn't know that I bought the Dunkin Donuts because of one purpose. Dunkin Donuts have a collaboration with Minimal Works. So Minimal Works is one of the camping goods or camping item manufacturers here in Korea, one of the premium brands, and you have to buy like $20 worth of Dunkin Donuts, and then you can buy this first this blanket, winter blanket, a cheaper price of course, so it's a collaboration, and at the same time this folding blanket, folding basket. Okay, so this is a folding basket. Okay, so let's see, I'll do a short unboxing for you. Okay, so let me do first on the, okay, ooh, okay, it's winter time, it's December now here in Korea, so ooh, it's like a fleece. Look at that, Dunkin Donuts and Minimal Works. Okay, must be good. Wow, looks good. Oh, looks really good quality. And I think it's bigger because it's a kind of a, see, look at that, it's like you can wrap yourself, and there's a, while camping, and then there's a zipper here with a Dunkin Donut logo. Then you can do like this. Oh, and now it's a blanket. It's a whole blanket. Ooh. Pretty. Look at that. So there's a minimal Dunkin logo and Minimal Works logo. So good. So when you're camping and winter, you can just wrap yourself. Like this. Okay? That's it. It's good. So let's try to put this one here. Ooh. Okay. And the next one, the next unboxing is, of course, this is the one I like. This is the folding basket. So this is quite expensive if you buy by itself at the Minimal Works shop. So collaboration, Dunkin Donuts, Minimal Works. That. And of course, because it's collab with Dunkin Donuts, we have an orange color. And yeah, it's my first time to do this. So let's see. So there's a garter. Oh, I think. Oops. So I think this is the stem and the basket itself. So let's try. So without instruction, maybe let me see if I can do without any instruction. Okay, should be here. Okay, right? And this one goes here. Good. And then we have to put the basket in. Okay, this is the basket. So it's for dummies. Installation for dummies. Okay, there's a Velcro tape there. And another Velcro tape here. Wow, looks good. So when you're camping, you can put everything here, so it's not all around the place. So this one is, I think, here. So it will take the shape of a square. You can see there is a Dunkin Donuts and Minimal Works logo. Look at that. It's very light. It's like made of aluminum. And then I think finally I have to put this one. This is the table on top. Okay. So I have to do like this maybe. Nope. This side. Sorry. Okay, this side. I think this side. Okay, that one. Shoot. That one will shoot. That one. And that one. Oh, it's good. So, yeah, it's good. So, you can actually, it's not bending at all. It's very strong. And you can put your cup of coffee. It can be your coffee cup table, coffee table, or see. Thank you. See, I don't have a Dunkin Donut cup, but it's like a, yeah, look at that. Good, huh? So it's good for camping. It's like a mini table. That's it, Dunkin Donuts. Thank you, Dunkin Donuts and Minimal Works for this one. Okay, this is not paid. I cannot see your face.